In this equation, we have the variable in the denominator. We can still solve this. It is possible to have a value for a that makes this equation true. But the first thing you must do before you even start to solve it is to write down any values that the variable cannot take on. In this case, a cannot equal 0 because that would mean division by 0 if a is 0, and we can't have that. The next thing we're going to do now is to determine what would be the common denominator for all the fractions. So I'm going to put the 4 over a 1, and then I'm going to look at the three denominators, a, 1, and 3a. The common denominator for that would be a and 3. You need both of those. So 3a is the common denominator, and there's a shortcut for solving this. Instead of writing them all as 3a in the denominator, what we can do is we can multiply the entire equation by 3a. So we will multiply each term by 3a. So if you had 3a and you multiply it by 2 over a, you could see that the a's would cancel out, leaves you with 6. So our first term now is just a 6. And then when we have 3a and we multiply it by a minus 4, it gives us minus 12a, sorry, minus 12a. And then finally 3a multiplied by 4 over 3a. The 3a's would cancel, leaving you with just 4. Now notice, by multiplying that entire equation by the least common denominator of 3a, multiplying each term by 3a, I have changed the equation from something that looked rather complicated with fractions and variables in the denominator to just a straight two-step equation. So 6 minus 12a equals 4 is quite simple for you to solve, I know. Subtract 6 from both sides. That would give us minus 12a equals minus 2. And then divide by negative 12. And we get the answer of a equals 1/6. Now sometimes what's going to happen is you're going to get a solution that is been restricted. So you have to make sure to check to see if the solution that you got is one of the values that is restricted. In this case, 1/6 is okay. So 1/6 is our solution.